Ladies and gentlemen, this is Intervlog. I say this is Intervlog, your source for the latest updates on crucial global events. Today, we're focusing on a significant story unfolding in West Africa, particularly in Burkina Faso, where the country's armed forces have recently intensified offensives against militant groups. This operation, spanning 4 key regions, the East, North, Center-North, and Center-East, has shown the Burkinabe military's unwavering commitment to reclaiming and securing their national territory. Burkina Faso has faced serious security challenges in recent years. This struggle has left parts of the country vulnerable, impacted civilian life, and strained local resources. However, the military's increased firepower and strategic operations this November highlight a renewed focus on eradicating militancy and restoring peace across the affected regions. This video will break down the key points of the Army's latest campaigns, which have been particularly successful in the month's opening weeks. We'll discuss the tactical steps taken by the Burkinabe forces, the outcomes of these engagements, including the destruction of enemy bases, the recovery of essential supplies, and the elimination of dozens of militants, and the new security installations aimed at sustaining peace in recently liberated areas. One of the most notable achievements of these recent operations has been the liberation of 5 Burkinabe soldiers who had been held hostage. This not only represents a military success, but also a deeply meaningful moment for their families and communities. Such victories are a testament to the resilience of Burkina Faso's armed forces. We'll also cover the stories behind the logistics recovered. These recovered materials underscore the scale and sophistication of the militants, as well as the Burkinabe forces' ability to counteract and eliminate such risks. Additionally, the installation of new rapid intervention bases, BIRs, in recaptured territories marks a strategic move to stabilize and protect these liberated zones from militants. This story isn't just about military maneuvers. It's about Burkina Faso's pursuit of sovereignty, security, and peace in the region. Our team will analyze these developments in greater depth, providing context on the ongoing fight, the impact on local communities, and what this might mean for Burkina Faso's future. If you're interested in understanding more about the challenges faced by the Burkinabe people and the actions taken to confront them, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications on Intervlog YouTube channel to stay updated on stories like these that matter globally. Let's dive into the details and explore the resilience of Burkina Faso's fight for peace and stability. Burkina Faso. Combat forces inflict heavy losses on militants in 4 regions. The Burkinabe army increased its firepower in the East, North, Center-North, and Center-East regions at the beginning of November. The offensives and bombings caused dozens of casualties among the militants, and significant war material was recovered, the AIB learned on Thursday. The combatant forces continued their offensives for the total reconquest of the national territory after the multiple successes recorded during the months of September and October 2024. Thus, at the beginning of this month, they multiplied the operations with already several successes. In the eastern region, the intensification of air-land offensives, which facilitated the return of a supply convoy from Bungu, also made it possible to destroy enemy bases and neutralize several dozen militants from the group GSIM. This operation mainly allowed the soldiers to free 5 of their comrades previously held hostage by the militants. On November 4, 2024, the incursion of GSIM group in Rega, in the commune of Zogore, province of Yatenga, North, was repelled. The response allowed the combat forces to recover logistics and food supplies. Still in the northern region, the supply convoy that left Ouahigouya on November 6, 2024, under heavy protection of the FDS and the VDP, arrived in Titao without major incident. The combat forces also launched offensives on the 6th of November 2024 in Titao, which resulted in the recovery of various materials, including solar panels, gas cylinders, and equipment used to make homemade mines. Also, on 4 November 2024, after an attack in the commune of Zogore, Yatenga, aerial searches were carried out, followed by strikes on militants groups. An initial assessment indicates that more than 37 militants were eliminated, logistics destroyed, and several militants were injured. In Silmangue, in the commune of Burum, province of Namantenga, center north, air operators targeted, on November 5, 2024, a column of militants fleeing after the attack on a position of the combat forces. Several militants were eliminated and 4 motorcycles, 2 PKMS and ammunition belts were recovered. On the same day, in the center-east region, more precisely in Bilamtenga, in the commune of Yargatenga, Kulpelago province, the army reacted following the incursion of GSM Group. The search by the air vectors made it possible to eliminate the attackers and seize weapons, 5 motorcycles, a can of fertilizer, and various materials. To better secure the recaptured areas and strengthen their coverage of Burkinabe territory, the combat forces installed new BIRs. This has allowed the reopening of some administrative services. The fighting forces are determined to maintain the momentum and consolidate their victories and advances on the front of the recovery of territorial integrity. Burkina Faso President Captain Ibrahim Traoré praising the actions of the soldiers who freed 5 of their comrades that were previously held hostage by the militants. My fellow Burkinabe, today, I stand before you not only as your president, but as a humbled witness to the extraordinary courage and resilience of our soldiers, our sons and daughters, who have fought valiantly to protect the sacred soil of our beloved Burkina Faso. In the face of overwhelming challenges, their resolve and commitment to our nation have not faltered. They have risen, confronted adversity, and defended our country with honor and loyalty. It is with immense pride that I recognize the recent achievements of our combatant forces, whose courage has been demonstrated on the front lines of battle, spanning our east, north, and center-east regions. These brave men and women have confronted and defeated militants who wanted to destabilize our land, rob us of our security. But our soldiers did not retreat. They advanced, fought, and reclaimed not only our territories, but also the spirit of freedom and sovereignty that belongs to every Burkinabe. In particular, we gather here today to honor one remarkable feat, a mission that brought 5 of our captured comrades back home. These 5 brave soldiers were held hostage by militants, enduring the darkest days of captivity, yet they never lost hope. And our armed forces, driven by an unbreakable bond and a vow never to leave a comrade behind, launched a daring and precise operation to secure their release. This success is a testament to the unity, skill, and bravery of our soldiers, and to the undying spirit of solidarity that runs through every Burkinabe heart. Our armed forces have waged a series of decisive battles that have weakened the enemies of peace and freedom in our land. From the east to the center-north, the operations carried out in recent days are nothing short of remarkable. In these regions, our soldiers, supported by intelligence, coordination, and unrelenting resolve, have dismantled enemy camps, eliminated armed militants, and reclaimed supplies stolen from our people. These victories are no ordinary achievements. They are victories of a nation reclaiming its dignity, of a people affirming their right to live in peace. In the eastern region, the bravery of our soldiers was displayed through intensified air-land offensives. These operations led to the destruction of enemy strongholds and elimination of dozens of militants. This victory also enabled the safe passage of a supply convoy from Bangu, securing vital resources for our communities and preventing militants from imposing control over our resources. Through their actions, our soldiers have not only restored peace, but also renewed our hope in the possibility of a secure Burkina Faso. In the northern region, the forces launched an attack that thwarted an attempted incursion by militants from the group GSIM in the commune of Zogore. They confronted and repelled them, recovered essential supplies, and ensured the safety of our communities. The success of these operations demonstrates the vigilance, the courage, and the dedication of our armed forces, who continue to guard our people. These victories, while hard-fought, are just the beginning. They are the foundation upon which we will continue to build our national security, reclaim our lands, and protect the future of Burkina Faso. Our soldiers have shown that they are willing to go to any length to protect their nation and their people, even at the cost of their own lives. For this, they deserve not only our admiration, but our unyielding support and solidarity. One of the greatest achievements in this series of operations is the liberation of 5 of our brave soldiers who were held hostage by militants. This act of courage, this testament to the strength and unity of our combatant forces, deserves our highest praise and gratitude. When our soldiers learned that their comrades were captured, they did not hesitate. They mobilized with a singular purpose: to bring their brothers back home. The mission required careful planning, unwavering commitment, and the highest degree of skill. The armed forces operated with precision, coordinating air and ground support to locate, confront, and overpower the militants. In doing so, they did not merely free our soldiers, they struck a blow against the very forces of oppression. To the 5 soldiers who endured captivity, we honor your courage, your strength, and your resilience. You never gave up hope, and because of your determination and that of your comrades, you are home today. You are a testament to the unbreakable spirit of Burkina Faso, and we are proud to have you back among us. To every soldier who took part in this mission, know that your bravery and sacrifice have not gone unnoticed. Your actions have inspired a nation, united a people, and reminded us all of the power of solidarity and loyalty. You have shown the world what it means to be Burkinabe: brave, resilient, and undaunted in the face of adversity. These victories have uplifted the hearts of every Burkinabe. In every village, town, and city, people speak of the bravery of our soldiers, of the triumphs that have shown us that no enemy is too great and no challenge too difficult. The courage displayed on the battlefield has given us hope, strength, and a renewed faith in the future of Burkina Faso. This spirit of unity, of shared victory, resonates in every Burkinabe heart. To our citizens, I say this: let us carry this spirit forward. Let us stand as one people, undivided by doubt. For together, we are stronger than any force that may try to divide us. The courage of our soldiers calls upon each of us to rise to our own challenges, to contribute to our nation's progress, and to stand united with our armed forces. They fight not only for the land, but for each of us, for our right to live in peace, and for our right to determine our own destiny. As your president, I am fully committed to ensuring that our soldiers have the support, the resources, and the tools they need to continue their mission. This victory is only the beginning, and we must sustain this momentum. I pledge to provide our armed forces with the equipment, intelligence, and strategic support they need to secure our borders, protect our communities, and restore order in every region of Burkina Faso. Our government will not rest until every inch of Burkinabe soil is free, and every citizen feels safe within their own homeland. We are implementing new strategies, strengthening alliances, and bolstering the capacity of our security forces. Together with the bravery of our soldiers and the resilience of our people, we will reclaim peace for every village, every town, and every family across Burkina Faso. I call upon every citizen to stand with us in this fight. Support our soldiers, honor their sacrifices, and remain vigilant against those who would seek to distract our nation. In these trying times, let us remember that unity is our greatest strength, that our shared values and shared dreams bind us together as one. To our communities, let us foster resilience, extend a helping hand to our soldiers and each other, and rebuild with a spirit of cooperation and solidarity. Each of us has a role to play in this journey towards a secure and prosperous Burkina Faso. Whether on the front lines or in our daily lives, let us work together to protect and uplift our nation. In the days, months, and years ahead, let us remember the bravery, the sacrifices, and the achievements of our armed forces. Our soldiers have shown us what it means to be truly courageous, to place the well-being of the nation above all else, and to serve with honor. May we follow their example, uphold their legacy, and remain united in our quest for peace and security. Together we are strong, together we are resilient, and together we will build a future worthy of our sacrifices and our dreams. Long live our combatant forces. Long live the people of Burkina Faso. Long live Burkina Faso. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.